Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the belt and reinstall the belt. It is in there with some pretty aggressive Velcro, so it takes a little bit of work to get it out, but it does come out. It's meant to stay in place. And one little note about that, if you're someone who really wants to make sure it's secure, we actually have a little feature that you can actually lock in the sides if you want to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. However, in our testing, you have not needed that at all. So we don't install that, but we do have it if you want a little extra safety piece to make sure it's not going to go anywhere. But I promise you, that belt is not going anywhere. Okay, so if you want to come in a little bit closer, we're going to go ahead and remove the belt. Again, removing the belt is harder than installing the belt. So we're going to go ahead and what you do is you want to break loose the Velcro inside here on both sides. It's a little bit easier when the pack is empty, but I'm going to do it when it's full right now. So you want to break loose all the Velcro on that side. Then you're going to take a piece of paper, just fold it a little bit bigger than the belt. And once you get that broken loose, you're going to slide the paper in there to keep this side from coming done and done. Now you're going to go through this Velcro on the back side as well. Can you see this okay? So you really got to dig in there. So you want to keep your hand in there, and now you just slide it out, just like that. Okay, so that's how you take the belt out. A little bit of work, but again, how often are you really going to do it? Let's just say you don't want to use the belt at all. You can hike without it. You don't need the belt. And you want to switch to a 1-inch belt. We have these little loops on the ends. Come a little bit closer. If you just want to switch to a 1-inch belt, we have little attachments on the sides. The belt is available on our website. You can get that 1-inch belt and use that as well. Now, we're going to reinstall the belt. Let's say you got a new size. You're going to take a piece of paper. You're going to wrap it around this Velcro here to make it easier to slide into place. Okay, and we're going to take this. I'm just going to slide it in. So what you want to do is make sure you're centered before you take the paper out. So you want to count how many little lines you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just try to get yourself centered as best you can. And you want to work it near the bottom. It can go up and down just a little bit, but you kind of want to keep it near the bottom. That looks about even. We're going to pull the paper out. Just adjust just a little bit and then push it in place. And it is really aggressive Velcro. It is not coming out. And you cannot pull that out. We tried it to the point where we almost ripped it. It ain't going nowhere. So I promise you, that is as good as it needs to be. But again, if you want to, we do have a little attachment piece that we can give you. It doesn't cost anything. It'll connect right there. But again, in our testing, did not need it at all. So that's it. That's how you remove and then install our new removable padded hip belt for our Raven and most of our future backpacks to come. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.